Leo. I didn't expect to see you here. What are you up to today?
Hey, Mia. I'm just taking a break from studying. I needed some fresh air. It's a really nice day, isn't it?
It absolutely is. The sunshine is lovely. Are you preparing for an exam next week?
Yes, I have a big one on Friday. I feel pretty good about it, but I always get a little nervous before a test. What about you? Did you just finish your run?
I did. I try to jog for about 30 minutes every afternoon. It helps me clear my head. I don't have any exams right now, thankfully.
That's smart. I should probably start exercising more. So, did you have a good weekend? Did you do anything fun?
I did! My family and I went to the farmer's market on Saturday morning. We bought a lot of fresh vegetables and some amazing homemade bread.
Ooh, I love the farmer's market. Did you get any of those big sweet potatoes? I heard they're really good this time of year.
We did. We're planning to roast them for dinner tonight. I also need to stop by the grocery store later to pick up some milk and a few other things.
Sounds like a good plan. Well, I should probably head back to my books soon. It was great catching up with you, Mia.
You too, Leo. Good luck with your exam. Don't forget to take a break later.
Thanks. See you around. Bye.